Welcome to the properties of the definite integral. Understanding these properties is crucial for mastering calculus and for applying integration techniques effectively. Let's get started. If the limits of integration are the same, the integral is 0. Into AA fx dx equals 0. This concept emphasizes that integrating over an interval of 0 length results in no accumulated area. If the limits are reversed, then place a negative sign in front of the integral. Int AB fx dx equals int BA fx dx. This shows the symmetry and directionality of integration. The integral of a sum is the sum of the integrals. Int ABF of x gx dx equals int BF of x dins plus dx dx. This property is useful when dealing with multiple functions at once. The integral of a difference is the difference of the integrals. Int AB fx minus gx dx dx minus int AB gx. This allows separability in many integral scenarios. The integral of the product of a constant and a function is equal to the constant multiplied by the integral of the function. Int AB cf of x dx equals c int AB fx quad text for constant c. You can factor constants out of integrals. If c is between a and b, the definite integral can be split at c in b f of x dx equals int a cx plus int c b f of x dx. This property helps in analyzing convols effectively. Let's calculate the integral, int 0 1 x squared dx 1. First, we'll apply the integral formula for polynomials. Int tx dx equals frac x squared n plus 1 plus c, 2. Substituting limits results in left frac x3 right 0 1 equals frac 1 3 minus 0 is frac 1 3. Thus, the area under the curve from 0 to 1 for x squared is frac 1 at 3. Understanding these properties is essential for calculating areas between curves, understanding displacement and accumulation in physics, solving real-world problems where rates of change are involved. Engage with both theoretical understanding and practical problems for a more holistic grasp. We have explored the properties of the definite integral. Keep practicing the application of these properties in various problems. Thank you for joining this session.